In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a multiple choice quiz using Google Forms. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Maybe you're a teacher looking to test your students on a recent lesson. Creating a multiple choice quiz is a great way to do that. Here's how you can get started. Begin by opening up Google Forms by clicking on the Google Apps icon in the top right hand corner and scrolling down until you find Forms. Go ahead and open this up, and once you're in the Forms, go ahead and click a blank form and then find settings up in the top right. Go ahead and open this up, or simply click in the middle of your screen depending on what device you're on. Toggle make this a quiz just like so, and choose when to release grades and customize additional quiz options. You can even set a default point value for questions, for example like 1 point. Now go ahead and switch back to the questions tab and give your quiz a title with an optional description. Make the question type however you'd like. I'm going to have it set to multiple choice here, and I'm going to add a few more options just so you can see what it looks like. And you can also mark the question as required so everyone has to take it. If you click on answer key right here, you can go ahead and select the right answer. So I'm going to go ahead and select option 1 here. And so option 1 is going to be the right answer overall. Go ahead and press done when you're finished. And then you can hit this little plus icon to add another question, and add as many ever you really want. When your quiz is ready though, go ahead and hit the publish button right up here, and then simply go ahead and hit publish. You can also specifically either just copy the link or send it to specific people by typing in their emails in the share icon just like so. But that's it, you've now successfully made a multiple choice quiz in Google Forms. Have a good day.